Namaste. Today we will see Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the area. Practice 2. Okay. The amount of surface that a figure covers is called area. Okay. What this full figure covers, this is called area. Okay. 1 square full, this is called area. Okay. Perimeter means this is outer circle. What the surroundings covered is called perimeter, but area, it is amount of surface that figure covers, is called area. Okay, let's start practice 2. Look at the figure and answer the questions. Though this is the figure, we have to answer the question. How many square tiles make each figure? A, B, C. How many square tiles make each figure? How many squares are there in each figure? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 9, 8, 8. Each tile is 1 square unit. What is the area of each figure? So each square is 1 unit. Okay, what is the area of figure? So we have to surround this full surroundings same. So area means inside this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 9, this is 8, and this is same. This is 9 square units. This is 8 square units. This is also 8 square units. Okay. Which figure has the greatest area? Which figure? A. Figure A has the greatest area. Which two figures have the same area? B and C. Figure B and figure C. Okay. Next, find the area of each figure in square units. Find the area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. So this is 9 square units. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 20. So this is 20 square units. Okay. And this is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. This is 6 square units. Understood? So for this, we finished our area, practice 2. Okay? Tomorrow we will see the unit of area. Okay? Thank you.